Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the 3 sides to earn Bitcoin or altcoins by rolling faucets, viewing 10 to 60 seconds ads, and completing other simple tasks. Watch this video all the way to the end as I give you the step-by-step guide to the 3 sides to earn Bitcoin or altcoins by doing some simple tasks. If you are excited and ready to learn more about the 3 sides to earn Bitcoin or altcoins by rolling faucets, viewing 10 to 60 second ads, and completing other simple tasks, then let's get straight into the value of today's video without wasting too much of your time. Here is a list of additional faucet sites you can use to earn Bitcoin and altcoins, along with a short description of the faucet. 1. Final Dutch Curve Auto Faucet. Claim multiple different cryptos by earning auto-claim tokens for rolling the faucet every 30 minutes, viewing PTC ads, completing surveys, and doing other tasks under the Earnings tab. 2. Easy Mining. Claim multiple cryptos by claiming tokens to run auto faucet every 10 minutes. 3. Dodge Bit Free. Dodge faucet that you can claim from every 10 minutes. You can earn Dodge by completing surveys, viewing PTC ads, visiting short lists, and completing other tasks under the Earnings tab. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips shared in this video to get the value I just shared with you. Don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions concerning the 3 sides to earn Bitcoin or altcoins by doing these simple tasks. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you later.